Well, he bataka make. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Yeah, man, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment now. And really fans, this was definitely a good look for dancehall overall. And if you agree that this was a good look for dancehall music overall, tell me in the comment section. And more you empty a clip of likes on the video. You more you kick in the like button, viewers and subscribers. Now the Bayesian R&B princess herself share that clip. Now I'm going to see what I go on and then I'm going to continue the reasoning.
Because some of them hot, feel with grudge. My thoughts are the realest thoughts and my heart clean, feel with love and the meditation.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, definitely a good look. Yes, she was out over the weekend with her cousin TJB. And what was surprising for some international fans, well, not for us, we know Rihanana have a deep love for dancehall and reggae music. People still are waiting for the R9 album, of which Popcaan and Vybz Kartel will be featured, and multiple features from the teacher. Now she knew the words of the song line for line. Definitely a good look. And the music relationship between Vybz Kartel and the multi-billion-dollar, or we can say billion-dollar business mogul, definitely shows that over the years Popcaan has definitely garnered some strong business connections in the music industry. Not only the local scene being brought to the public eye by the king of the genre himself, Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, but also links with artists such as Rihanana, Drake, Party Next Door, gigs from over UK, just to name a few. Now this also brings me to something I see recently. A story for type share of how Popcaan go defend one of film friend them. I make a new one and then we are continue the reason again.
How the story go now? It's like Cure link with somebody, see it? And it's like the linkage of Cure make them have a meeting at the yard and the meeting now go. Oh, Cure expect the meeting figure, you see me? Yeah, so Cure get angry now and, you know, decide say the meeting done and the person can't left until them agree to where Cure are deal with the proposal where Cure put on the table in the meeting. Now the person gets scared and paranoid and Cure a cuss and about base up and the person call Poppy. See? Because the person know Popcaan to one thing. He's a person from overseas. Yeah? And the person called Popcaan and said, Andre, I need you to come get me. See? And Andre comes, so boom, and pick up a second, who is an artist as well. I'm not going to call the artist name. But Popcaan pick up the artist and say, alright, remember these are the allegations toward me here, right? Popcaan comes a boop and drive, go up a Cure yard and must say I call Cure on the phone and Cure not answer. Call Cure not answer. Call Cure not answer. So Poppy comes a boom and must say tailgate, as according to the allegations. Tailgate and go in a complex and that's our townhouse, like remote gate townhouse. And go in there and link the person and the person ready for cut and Cure a war. I say, yo, one man reach in the yard and in business and a film business and Poppy fi go and go suck him mama and right there and Cure must say wheel off him laughs, you see me? And the person whether they with Poppy must have license something like that and wheel off him license and say nothing like that can't go on, that pop-up can't go on, the Ray can't go on. You see me? And big excitement in the yard and neighbors are peep out and pay a thing. And the person where Cure the meeting with and it never worked out. Cut with Papi. And then me say now Cure a link and I tell B people say Papi come and me I come Dìss man. Zine I say Papi Dìss man be a thing and then Papi I tell him and them say Cure violate car. Cure shouldn't do what him do and big excitement I go on a yard man. Be a problem. You understand me I say? My thing is how me know all of that? Bossed Calder, come on, the viral king. But remember this is an allegation. Can me never do that.
Them for know we not take intimidation. No. As well, Foota Hype said this sound like a rescue story. As well him say, someone called Papi. And it looked like the person who was involved in the situation with Jacure themselves who tell Foota Hype the story. You don't know it go. Foota say the viral king. Ima make the public know what go on. As we know, Popcaan and Jacure have worked on music in the past. And that song they do alright. The album itself, not so much, but the song did do alright itself. I think they may even have a music video feed. We're not seeing no more projects after that. We don't even really see no more strong linkage. Now, Foota said this might be the reason. What I go for show still is that Popcaan a real youth. Whether it is that it was a female who called him out, some people have speculated that the fact that Foota say, yo, the person called Popcaan by him government name. You know what I mean? If it was a dream that say, yo, Papi Pop Scully, yo, whatever the case may be. You know what I mean? Even though I don't know Jacure, but no Jacure and hold it up the stick. But anyway, Popcaan forward, defend the matter. Jacure get boisterous. As well, Foota Hype explain. You know what I mean? But you don't know. Papi unruly. Gaza Foundation. Him not gonna take the chat. Him not take the intimidation. I hope putting that there was no backing down. Matter was sorted out. And they left. And I guess from that point until now, Jacure and Popcaan, the connection there has never been the same. It's always like, sometimes they never say, a woman is always in the midst of certain settings. Even though we know, the public knows Jacure track record. Say worse if it was a female. But yeah, we know say yo, you know, it's a man that we go out of the way, we go above and beyond, we try to secure where him feel like say is due to him. No, as I was saying, it look like it escalate beyond that point. You know, words were exchanged. As we Foota say, something get draw. It wasn't used. Everybody got them separate way. Rasta go back in their house and Popcaan left with the individual and them cut. You know what I mean? Popcaan though definitely in the headlines for some good reasons. Recently over the past couple of weeks we see Rihanana and then we see her again now recently. I listen to G song, definitely a good look. Drake relaunch him radio station in Toronto, so we can look forward for no say alright. Popcaan music will be blasting on some international airwaves. You know what I mean? Yeah, so we can know say our Toronto fans will be definitely getting a whole heap of listen of dancehall music too overall. Some Vybz Kartel, some Skilly Bang, of course, some Popcaan. We already see Drake post. So you're in the drive round and listen to Crocodile Teeth. You know the something go. You know what I mean? So definitely a good look for dancehall music viewers and subscribers. Dancehall music is alive and well despite what them try to tell us. Despite them trying to say reggae is dancehall, and that is why dancehall artists need to step them production level up so that their songs and albums can be nominated for, you know, some of the highest awards. I'm gonna agree with that. I feel like dancehall needs its own genre, and what is that reggae being the big brother of dancehall, a giant where music is concerned. If the category is reggae, people always pay more attention to the reggae artist than to another artist, and that's just how it is. So whether it be reggae or dancehall, it have to be a year when we have less reggae albums and more dancehall albums, so people put dancehall into focus and then judge or critique based on dancehall, not based on reggae's impact. So that's how we feel. find me personally disagree with statements always being made by people in certain circles. Powers that be, you know what I mean, industry gatekeepers, that reggae is dancehall. I don't know if one point in time before I was born, reggae was dancehall, but in this generation, for this generation of listeners, reggae is a completely different category of dancehall. Even to streams. Even these streaming platforms have categorized it different. Only when we talk about music from Jamaica itself, them put all of the albums into one category. If you notice, them have a section, them have put dancehall artists, and they have been working on it for years. We don't know if other industry players, while that, you know, forward as something that is known worldwide. So yo, you have reggae, yes, and you have dancehall, both from Jamaica. Talk to me in the comment section, those viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? For to say a whole heap of thing take place. Rihanna definitely giving Popcaan that international highlight. Dancehall love them by them. You know what I mean? Me personally like to see it. I like to see that dancehall music is not only loved by fans of music, but also other musicians themselves. You know what I mean? So that within itself was a completely refreshing look for the entire industry. And them I try to make it look like, say, yo, nothing now going for dancehall. Like on the Weapon Island love dancehall. They are completely wrong. Talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. Yes, the like icon that we know. Drop a like on the blog from a like we here. Yes, from a like we here. Drop a like on the blog. Click in the like button. Share icon there. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Tell a friend for tell a friend for watch the channel, watch the blog, join the discussion via the comment section. I will 24/7 and never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But you know there's something good. Other than that, drop your thoughts and comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue to read them via the comment section. Young artists, yes. Review special up and running. Contact the IG page for further details. You know the something go. You know what I mean? For all business inquiry, Jayden_Chase_. You can get further details from what I go on this. Yeah, man, now more settings, fam. I wanna need no lot of my sentiments for you and yours is to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.